Snow isn't sure what snow is. But she's going to have a peck. The aviary is covered, you can see, but the wind does blow the snow in a little bit. We've got snow sort of on the ground inside the aviary, ever so slightly at the bottom, and obviously along the sort of just the side. I kept the birds in for a day and a half, so this is the only time they're going to have out today. As soon as it starts going dark, probably about an hour or so, I'll put them away. It's sort of reasonably warm, that's not the problem. I just don't want to really expose them to this for too long, because you can see everything is snowy. Snow everywhere, and it is in fact due to snow majorly again. So, Jojo in there trying to eat from the millet sprigs that are hanging down. The water in the bath there is frozen, so they won't be able to use that. Toby, of course, is inside at the moment with another nail issue. Different nail, different foot. My Budgies making a bit of a noise over there. Bonnie and Joshua and little Boom, and there's Jamie. Some finches in the corner there. I think that's Beverly, and that's probably Martin, but I don't know, I can't see from there. So here we are. Oh, Jens there on the side. So we've all come out for a little bit of a breather. This is, I don't know if you can see, if I can go above. Oh, look at that snow there, and that's the roof. Quite a big bit of snow. Quite a deep bit of snow there. A good inch, an inch and a half, running across the top. Yes, I thought I might go to the roundabout woodlands and just see what that looks like. I've got my my gym trainers on because I don't actually go to the gym anymore, and they don't leak, so in snow. So I'm going to go and see what that looks like shortly. Oh, Budgies are all coming to say hello. They're all looking well. Like I say, they can cope with direct heat and cold. They don't do so well with wind. We've had, you know, -8, -9 degree temperatures over the last 2 days, so they've done very well. They're all looking happy. Except for Jens, wherever Jens has gone. Oh, Jens is back inside again. Somewhere in there.